how to download Packet Tracer and install Packet Tracer. So Packet Tracer is created by Cisco, like I mentioned to you, just as a simulator. Apart from Cisco Packet Tracer, we have GNS3, that is Graphical Network Simulator 3. We have Network Simulator NS2 or 3, and we have UpNet, we have NetSim, we have some other ones like that. But for this video, or for this purpose of this class, I've told you we'll be working with Cisco Packet Tracer. It is free. It can actually solve our foundational problem of modeling or simulating what our real life network should have looked like. Or better still, just say Cisco Packet Tracer. I think I prefer this option. Cisco Packet Tracer download. That is better. So let's see. It has given us different sources. So still, this one is pointing me back to Network Academy, which I'll just click and it takes me to there. You can see version 8.2.2. Version 8.2.2. Look at it. You can download it from here. That's it. Now, let's assume that I've downloaded it. I think I have one already. How do I go about installing it? Or get done is to change the direction of my folder to somewhere else. So let's see how it goes. Next, install on the desktop. So it's installing right now. I've changed the direction of the location of the folder to different folder. That's the location where my work will be saved. I've changed the folder entirely to PT. So it's installing. You have to wait for the installation process. Meanwhile, before it gets done, it's always better to remove your, let me disconnect from the internet. I've disconnected from the internet. I will tell you the reason now. Because by the time the Packet Tracer is ready and it's opening up, it will ask me, it might ask me to sign in with to sign it officially, or to sign in with my with my email account, of which I, as an offline user, I want to have access to my Packet Tracer most times without an itch. So what I would do is I will log in without the internet, and I can ask the application to keep logged in for some period of time, so that it will not be asking me for login most times. So I've turned it off. You'll see when I'm loading it now, it might not actually ask for that. But if my internet is on, it might actually ask me to log in officially, or to log in through through email. Okay, let's see. There we are. It's done. It's done. It's done. Let's see what happened. Let me go to the desktop. Come on, we're waiting for you. There you are. The guy has landed. Can see it? It has landed on my desktop. Finished. So let's see. It's trying to launch. Let's see what happened. Don't forget, my internet is off this time around. Let's see what happened. The guy is launching. He said, would you like to run multiple applications? When you can say yes. Would you like to run multiple user when applications start? No problem. That's the application is starting for us. There you are. Allow Packet Tracer. Okay. There you are. I didn't mean my internet is on. When I'm actually opening it, you will see that I might not be able to sail through this way. Okay, let me show you that. I will put my internet on now. Okay, my internet is on. Let me launch the application. Let's see what happens. When I'm launching the application, because my internet is on, it might actually ask me to log in, to do a login. Look at it. That's what I just told you. Look at it. Instead of it to take me to the canvas of the area where I will work, is asking me to log in either with these options, but I don't like doing this most times. So you can, if you are, as a matter of fact, you can try your own out. You can log in. You can say keep me logging for 3 months. Then you can log in only one time. Then anytime you are on internet, though they say it's not recommended for public or shared computer. Okay, so you can keep me logging for 3 months. You just log in once. That's all. So that's how to go about that. But most times I think I log in with my Network Academy or through Network Academy credential, or I log in through my email. You understand? I can continue with my Google account. So this is how you log in. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Bye for now. I hope you enjoy Packet Trader.